Happy morning, dear children. Welcome back to our science online class. Children, as we completed 12 lessons, so in today's class, I am going to revise the lesson what we have learned. And I am going to revise 3 lessons: water, air, and the earth. Water. Children, all plants and animals need water. Then why we need water, children? What are the uses of water? We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, cleaning, etc. Then we learned about the 3 forms of water. What are the 3 forms of water, children? The 3 forms of water are solid, liquid, and gas. Ice is solid and water is liquid. And water vapor is the gaseous form of water. Children, water can change its form also. Water freezes into ice when you cool it. Then when you bring out of the freezer, what will happen? It will changes into water. Heat makes ice melt into water. Then when you boil the water, what will happen? The water changes into water vapor. Then heat makes water change into water vapor. Then again you cool it, what will happen? It changes into water. Then we learned about clouds, rain and snow. Children, water changes form in nature also. The water in lakes, rivers and seas changes into water vapor when it is heated by the sun. This water vapor has no weight, so it rises like a balloon. Then when it reaches high above the ground, that is in the mountain region, this water vapor gets cooled by the cold air. Then it changes into tiny drops of water and form clouds. You know what are clouds? Clouds are tiny drops of water. When the tiny drops of water in clouds join up, they become heavy and then they fall as rain. In some places, there is very cold region, the clouds freeze and turn into snow. Then when the heat of the sun warms the snow on the ground, the snow melts. Okay, so water can 3 forms: solid, liquid and gas. Solid is ice, liquid water and gaseous form water vapor. Write W for wrong and C for correct. First one, clouds are tiny drops of water. Is it correct, children? Yes, clouds are tiny drops of water. So you want to write C. Then second, water vapor rises because it is light. Is it correct? Yes, it is also correct. Water vapor rises because it is light like a balloon. So you want to write C. Then third one, we cannot see water vapor because it is light. Is it true? No. We cannot see the water vapor, it is colorless. So we want to write W. Then fourth one, when the drops in clouds became heavy, there is rain. Is it correct? Yes. When the tiny drops in water clouds join up, they become heavy and they fall as rain. So you want to write C. Fifth one, water changes into water vapor only when you heat it over a glass flame. Is it true, children? No, it is wrong. So you want to write W. Next, air. Children, why we need air? We need air to breathe. Plants and animals also need air. Nothing can live without breathing. Children, can we see the air? We cannot see air or touch it, but we can feel the air, and it is all around us. Any space that seems empty has air. Even soil and water have air. That's how earthworms can be breathed in the soil and fish can breathe in water. Then we learned about moving air. Children, what is wind? Moving air is called wind. A gentle wind is called breeze. Then what is storm, children? When the wind blows very hard, there is a storm. Fill in the blanks. First one, we need air to dash. We need air to breathe. Second, air fills up dash. Air fills up spaces. Then third one, moving air is called dash. Moving air is called wind. Fourth one, a gentle wind is called dash. A gentle wind is called breeze. Fifth one, the wind blows very hard in a dash. The wind blows very hard in a storm. Next, the earth. Children, what is the shape of the earth? The earth is round in shape. The earth is like a big ball. Then why does it seem flat, children? It seems flat because we see only a part of it. The part of the earth where we live is called land. And what are oceans, children? The water covered parts of the earth are called oceans. What is a globe, children? Globe is a model of the earth. The blue part is water and the rest is land. Then we learned about rocks and soil. Children, what is land made of? Land is made of rocks and soil. When rocks break into tiny pieces, they form soil. Then fine pieces of soil are called clay. Then what is sand, children? Sand is a type of loose soil. It is used to make houses. Children, rocks are of many kinds. We dig out rocks that are useful to us. Some rocks are very hard. You know which are they? Yes, marble, granite, sandstone and slate. Then why we are using these stones, children? These are used to make buildings. And some rocks are very soft. That is graphite, chalk and talc. Why we are using graphite, children? Graphite is mixed with clay to make the lead of pencil. Then why we are using talc? Talc is used to make talcum powder. Then why we are using chalk, children? Chalk is used to write on the blackboard and it is also used to make lime. Then some stones like diamond, emerald and ruby, they are very precious. Then why we are using these stones? These stones are used to make jewelry. Answer these questions. First one, why does the earth seem flat? Children, why does the earth seem flat? The earth seems flat because we see only a part of it. Second one, what is sand? Sand is a type of loose soil. Then third one, what is a globe? A globe is a model of the earth. What is a globe, children? A globe is a model of the earth. Fourth one, how does the earth look from spacecraft? The earth looks like a blue ball. Then fifth one, what are diamond, emerald and ruby used for? Diamond, emerald and ruby are used to make jewelry. Children, learn the lessons thoroughly and do the given assignment.